We have a 1961 Homelite WIZ A gear drive, half-inch pitch chain, and I suspect it's going to throw some huge chips. And oh, by the way, it has no muffler guts, so it's stupid loud, and you can bet the neighbors love me for it. Let's see how it sounds. I think it's going to sound awesome. Old 1961 gear drive, so it's a little slower than today's standards, but guys, look at the size of these chips. Half-inch pitch chain. You know, I mean, I convert a lot of my chainsaws to 404 because it's easier to find chains, but you can't beat the size of those chips. Outstanding. Tons of fun to run. See you guys on the next one.